Welcome, plant-powered enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of a whole food plant-based diet. Imagine a diet rich in fiber, bursting with essential vitamins and minerals, and renowned for its incredible health benefits, from reducing the risk of heart disease to potentially enhancing cognitive health. Whether you're curious about improving your well-being or seeking a sustainable dietary change, this video is your guide to unlocking the full potential of plant-based nutrition. Join us as we uncover the science-backed advantages of this diet, explore practical tips for getting started, and point you towards some fantastic resources for delicious recipes that will make your taste buds sing. Ready to embark on this plant-powered journey? Let's dive in and embrace the power of plants together. What is a whole food plant-based diet? A whole food plant-based diet is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle centered around consuming whole, unprocessed plant foods. This means minimizing or eliminating animal products like meat, poultry, fish, dairy, and eggs, and keeping fats to a minimum. The focus is on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds in their natural or minimally processed forms. Dr. Colin Campbell, author of The China Study and founder of the Center for Nutrition Studies, is credited with coining the term whole food plant-based. His research has played a significant role in bringing the health benefits of this dietary approach to light. Key components of the diet. Let's break down the key components of a whole food plant-based. First, we have whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, barley, and millet. Then, there's a variety of fruits, both fresh and frozen, without added sugars. Vegetables are a huge part of this diet, with a wide range of colorful options to choose from. Legumes like beans, lentils, peas, and chickpeas are essential, along with nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Let's not forget leafy greens like spinach, kale, collard greens, and arugula. Root vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, beets, and turnips add more variety. Finally, herbs and spices not only enhance flavor, but also provide additional health benefits. Differences between whole food, plant-based, and vegan diet. Now, how does this differ from a vegan diet? While both exclude animal products, whole food plant-based focuses on health and whole, unprocessed foods. A vegan diet, on the other hand, is defined by what it eliminates, animal products, but can include many processed foods like vegan cookies and plant-based meat alternatives. Additionally, whole food plant-based is typically low in fat, especially added oils, while vegan diets can be high in fat depending on the choices made. Processed sugars are avoided in a whole food plant-based, but they might be present in a vegan diet. Lastly, whole food plant-based emphasizes nutrient-dense whole foods, whereas a vegan diet can be nutrient-poor if not well-planned. Health benefits of whole food plant-based diet. Nutritional benefits. Fiber. A whole food plant-based diet is naturally high in fiber, which most Americans lack due to processed foods. Beans, broccoli, and berries are fiber champs that help fight heart disease, diabetes, and keep you feeling fuller for longer. Protein powerhouse plants. Who needs steak when you have quinoa? This complete protein source is joined by buckwheat and soy, giving you all the essential amino acids your body needs. Even simple combos like brown rice and beans are protein-packed winners. Micronutrient marvels. Plants are bursting with vitamins and minerals. Fruits and veggies are your best friends for vitamins A, C, and K, while nuts and seeds pack a punch with healthy fats, zinc, and selenium. Whole grains keep you energized with B vitamins, iron, and magnesium, and legumes are champions for iron, zinc, and B vitamins too. Health benefits you can see and feel. First, whole food plant-based diet is a powerhouse for your cardiovascular system. Studies show it can prevent heart disease, slow down existing problems, and even potentially reverse it, something once thought impossible. Why it works? It's all about the good stuff you eat and the bad stuff you skip. This diet is packed with fiber-rich, nutrient-dense foods and ditches cholesterol and unhealthy saturated fats. This winning combo not only improves your blood pressure and cholesterol, but also helps with weight management by keeping you feeling fuller for longer thanks to that fiber. But whole food plant-based diet doesn't stop at your heart. The American Diabetes Association loves it for managing type 2 diabetes. Since it eliminates meat and is loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory fighters, it also reduces the risk of some forms of cancer. Whole food plant-based diet might help slow down cognitive decline and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's. Getting started with plant-based power. Ready to embrace a whole food, plant-based diet lifestyle but feeling a little overwhelmed? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are some simple steps to make a smooth transition. Start small. You don't have to go all in overnight. Begin by incorporating 1 to 2 plant-based meals a day. Meatless Mondays are a great way to ease in. Rainbow on your plate. Fill your plate with a colorful variety of fruits and veggies. Aim for the whole spectrum. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, each with unique health benefits. Protein Power Plant Picks. Don't ditch the protein. Explore plant-based protein sources like beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, nuts, and seeds. Recipe Roundup for success. Feeling stumped on what to cook? We've got your back. Here are some awesome resources to get you started. Nutrition Studies Plant-Based Recipes website is a treasure trove of delicious and healthy plant-based recipes. Another fantastic resource is Forks Over Knives, which offers not only a wealth of information, meal plans, and recipes to guide you on your plant-based journey, but also an amazing cooking class. Fueling your journey. Considering a whole food plant-based diet can be exciting, but it's also important to ensure you're meeting all your nutritional needs. A registered dietitian can be a valuable resource, especially for those new to plant-based eating. They can provide personalized guidance, address any concerns you have, and help you create a well-rounded meal plan that's right for you. Remember, consistency is key. Start with small changes and gradually incorporate more plant-based meals as you get comfortable. All right, let's wrap this plant-powered journey. Key takeaways. A whole food plant-based diet is bursting with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and amazing health benefits. From lowering heart disease risk to boosting cognitive health, the benefits of whole food plant-based diet are hard to ignore. We also explored some easy steps to get started, including incorporating more colorful fruits and veggies and exploring delicious plant-based protein sources. Let's keep the conversation going. Hit that like button if you're ready to embrace the power of plants. Leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more plant-based goodness coming your way. Stay healthy.